When you have a passage of text selected and you decide that you want to change the case, we looked at the fact that there is a button on the Home tab in the ribbon which allows you to change the case. What Microsoft fails to mention is there is actually a shortcut key for this option as well. Instead of clicking the button and choosing sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, or capitalize each word, you could hit the key combination Shift F3. If I hold the Shift key down and I tap the F3 key, it changes my text to uppercase. If I press Shift F3 again, it changes it to lowercase. And if I press Shift F3 again, it capitalizes each word. I keep pressing Shift F3 and it rotates between those three types of cases. But it doesn't give me sentence case. The reason it doesn't give me sentence case is because there's an absence of a full stop at the end of the sentence. If I add a full stop and then select the title by clicking once to the left, when I press the combination Shift F3, I'll go from uppercase to lowercase and now to sentence case, where just the first word has a capital letter. If I take the full stop off and select the text, I'm back to pressing Shift F3 and getting uppercase, lowercase, and capitalizing each word. Sometimes though I want to go straight to uppercase and I don't want to rotate using Shift F3 or use the icon in the ribbon. So what I'll do is press Ctrl Shift A. Ctrl Shift A takes me straight to capitals or all caps. If I decide I want to do that to a number of titles in this document, I might want to repeat my action. If I click this title here, I can use the repeat button on the quick access toolbar, and as it mentions here, I could also use the shortcut key combination Ctrl Y. Ctrl Y is repeat. Another key that's repeat is F4. If I scroll down through my document, select the next title and press the function key F4, I will repeat my last action, which was to apply capitals. And I can go down through my document, selecting text and pressing F4. F4 is repeat my last action, and this is great if you're doing the same sort of thing a number of times. But if I want to undo what I've done, then I have a button on my quick access toolbar called Undo, and as it mentions here, the shortcut key is Ctrl Z. If there's one shortcut key worth learning, it's Undo, Ctrl Z. And in this particular version of Word, you have 100 levels of undo. So as I press Ctrl Z, I'll undo the last thing I did. If I press Ctrl Z again, I undo the thing I did before that, and then again the thing I did before that, and I keep pressing undo until it undoes everything I want it to. If I undo too far, then I can redo what I've undone, and redo is this button here. Repeat is now changed to redo, and it's still Ctrl Y. If I go Ctrl Y, I can redo what I've undone. So if something goes wrong, your first reaction should be to undo, and keep undoing until you're back in a happy place. If you undo too far, then just redo what you've undone with Ctrl Y. And that's undo and redo and repeat.